Hi, I'm Heidi Nord with the Brilliant Dyslexic, and thanks so much for coming to this next sound juggling video. Letters, I want you to not worry about those, just block them out because we are mainly going to work on processing sounds, and you can best do that by hearing all of the sounds, seeing the sounds, by touching the sounds just in the air as we go along, and by saying the sounds. You're not actually going to taste the sounds, although I do have a video about that you might want to look up because it's a fun one. So here is our first word. It is a, f, t, a, in haft. What if I take off the t? Then you have a, f, half. Here is b, e, n, ch. B, e, n, ch. In bench. What if I take off the ch? Then you're left with b, e, n. Ben. This one is p, a, n, ch. P, a, n, ch. In punch, what if I take off the n? Then you're left with p, a, ch. Putch. Here is p, oi, n, oi, n, t. In point, what if I take off the p? Then you're left with oi, n, t, oint. This next one is d, I, n, t. D, I, n, t. In dint, what if I take off the t? Then you're left with d, I, n, din. This next one is v, e, n, d. V, e, n, d. In vend, what if I take off the n? Then you are left with v, e, d. Fed. This next one is ow, k. Ow, k. In lounk, what if I take off the k? Then you're left with ow, loun. This next one is t, w, I, ch. Itch. In twitch, what if I take off the t? Then you are left with itch, witch. This next one is s-a-nk. S-a-nk. In sank, what if I take off the ng? Then you're left with s-a-k, sake. This next one is s-i-l-k. S-i-l-k. In silk, what if I take off the s? Then you're left with i-l-k, ilk. This next one is t-a-k, s. T-a-k, s. In tax, what if I take off the k? Then you're left with t-a-s, tass. Here is g-i-l-t. G-I-L-T. In guilt, what if I take off the g? Then you're left with ilt, ilt. This next one is t, int. In tint, what if I take off the last t? Then you're left with tin. Here is j, a, p. J, a, p. In jump, what if I take off the Then you're left with j, a, p, jup. Here is w, a, n, t. W, a, n, t. In want, what if I take off the n? Then you're left with w, a, t, wat. This next one is f, u, d. F, u, d. In fumed, what if I take off the d? Then you're left with f, u, fume. This next one is t, a, k. T, a, k. In tank, what if I take off the ng? Then you're left with t, a, k, take. This next one is t, e, k. T, e, k. In tink, what if I take off the k? Then you're left with t, e, ng, ting. This one is h, a, k. H, a, k. In hank, what if I take off the h? Then you're left with a, k, ank. This one is k, a, st. K, a, st. In cast, what if I take off the t? Then you're left with k, a, s, cast. This one is d, a, k. D, a, k. In dank, what if I take off the ng? Then you're left with d, a, k, dake. This one is y, e, l, p. Y, e, l, p. In yelp, what if I take off the y? Then you're left with e, l, p, elp. This next one is a, st. A, st. In must, what if I take off the t? Then you're left with a, s, mus. This next one is I, n, d. I, n, d. In hind, what if I take off the n? Then you're left with I, d, hide. This one is v, a, st. V, a, st. In vast, what if I take off the s? Then you are left with v, a, t, vat. This one is k, ow, n, t. K, ow, n, t. In count. What if I take off the n? Then you're left with k, out, count. Thank you so much for coming to the sound juggling lesson. I'm Heidi Nord with the Brilliant Dyslexic, and I hope you have a fantastic day. Bye.